Our journey begins here, at a county park right on the Intracoastal's edge. As a county park, it remains undisturbed by industrial human activity, which means that dozens of gopher tortoises live here and thrive peacefully. They dig large trenches like this one. Their massive arms are like shovels, which allow them to dig deep into the sandy soil. But the tortoises spend most of their day feeding on the grass and the dandelions of the fields. On this trail, you will find 3 species of mangroves that are native to the Florida coast. Starting with white mangroves. They are tree-like and prefer the higher and drier soil. Their leaves are thin and can grow to be pretty tall. Next up is black mangroves. You'll find them in the muddy soil closer to the intracoastal's edge. Their leaves are slightly thicker than white mangroves. Unlike white mangroves, black mangrove roots grow directly upwards out of the ground for extra oxygen. Finally, right on the beach are red mangroves. These are the largest and most abundant mangrove species on the intracoastal. They have the most obnoxious roots of any mangrove species, ensuring pure oxygen supply, no matter what the tide level. The plants here extract salt water up through their trunks and out through their leaves. The leaves change color as they become saturated with salt and eventually fall off. This is a mangrove forest. Inside this mangrove forest is home to other animal life. Land crabs will dig holes like this one and will feed off of the bacteria that live in the sandy soil. Thankfully, the mangroves here are healthy, but they are constantly under threat. Wake from passing boats is violent to mangrove tree roots. To prevent the destruction of mangrove habitats, lawmakers place minimum wake markers in areas where there are large populations of mangrove. And as long as boaters are obedient, these mangroves should be safe. Safe from giant waves, oysters find a great habitat here. This is a great blue heron. Its long legs allow it to wade comfortably through the water in search of its lunch. He got it. Oh, don't drop it. Small, freshwater reservoirs like this one serve as a significant habitat to many species. Most significant to this location is the mottled duck. For a sequence of many years, this reservoir has been the birthplace of many generations of mottled duck. After they fly away, they often return to their birthplace to live or visit. This mottled duck lives here on the reservoir. The silver-colored beak reveals that it's a female. She was likely born here on the reservoir from one of the many litters over the years. She comes here every evening to feed on the seeds. Today she's accompanied by other birds who also feed on the seeds. And it's competitive. The snowy egrets are obviously bothered by the model's presence and sprint directly across her as a show of force. Someone else has come to join the feast. Oh, that wasn't nice. The bunny does not seem to care. It eats anyways. Oh, thank you very much. Also hanging around in some places is the green iguana. Native to South America, they are highly invasive to the Sunshine State. These exotic reptiles are cold-blooded and must rely on the sun for most of their energy.
you.